Hello, sixth graders. Today we are talking about the immune defense system. Now, does anyone know why we get sick?
When we touch dirty surfaces, the bacteria transfer to our skin.
Yes. What other ways can we get sick?
Coughing, sneezing, not washing our hands.
Yeah, the spread of viruses and germs. Do you know how our body reacts to these intruders?
It kills them.
It does, but first, what does it have to do?
It has to identify them.
Yes. So now the students would watch a video on the immune system. And after the video, we are going to identify the 5 stages of the immune system. So what it was, the first stage of the immune system was identification. The second stage, so once you identify the intruder, what does your body have to do?
It has to then get help.
Yes. So it gets help, and now what does the body have to do?
It has to track them down.
Yes, it tracks them down, and once they find them, what happens?
Tag them.
The B cell tags them with an antibody. So tagging the invader is the third step. Can anyone tell me what the fourth step is?
Killing them.
Killing the invaders. Does anyone remember what cell kills all of the invaders from the video?
Yes.
They called them the killer cells, and they're a killer T cell. So there's 2 types of T cells. There's the helper and the killer. And our last step in the stages of the immune defense is
adapting to the bacteria so they can remember it from later.
We have to remember the invaders, yes. So over here we have a list of the cells that were involved in the video and in our immune system. Does anyone remember what the macrophage was for?
No, teacher.
The macrophage was the first cell that they talked about. So what do you think it did if it was the first cell?
It identified.
Yes. Identified. So for our second one, when we call for help, what cell do we need?
Memory cells.
You're close. Memory cells are leftover T cells, but we need a specific type of T cell.
Helper T cells.
Yeah, we need a helper T cell. So when we tag invaders, we talked about this a little bit ago, what cell do we need?
B cells.
Good job. For our fourth step, when we have to kill the invaders.
Killer T cells.
Good, it has it in the name, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And finally, when we have to remember the invaders for the future.
Memory cells.
Memory cells. Memory cells are leftover B cells and T cells that were used in identifying and getting rid of the invaders.